Welcome back to Copenhagen Blue. You know what's annoying? This sound. Yeah, that sound right there. I don't like it. It's power steering whine, I think. I don't think the pump is bad, I just think maybe the fluid's old. So let's change out the fluid. It's easy. Let's get started. There's a couple of ways you can get the fluid out of your reservoir. One is a fluid transfer pump, which gets oily and gets everywhere, but it'd work. Or you can use more basic. You can use a turkey baster. You get those at like the $1 bush. In my case, I bought a toy that has a lot of uses. So for 50 bucks, I think is what I spent on it. I hope it's the way to go. I bought a fluid extractor. So if you have an air compressor, you hook this thing up and it sucks whatever out. In my case, I wanted it for doing brake flushes and power steering reservoirs and transmission changes, so you don't always have to drop the pan or you don't always have to disconnect the line. I guess let's play with the toy and see how it works. The item that I have is a Vivi Home Enjoy Life at Home 2-liter vacuum brake bleeder. So it says it's for brake bleeding, but I don't see why you can't just suck anything you want with it. All you do is hook it up to some shop air, and then when you hit the thing, hook those up here, and it sucks whatever it is into the container. Let's give it a try. Here's our power steering reservoir. We're going to open that up. Now usually on the top it'll tell you what it is, that fluid wise. This one says use power steering fluid that's approved, or used approved power steering fluid, something along those lines. What it is they want ATF plus 4. Same stuff that goes in the transmission is what they want in the power steering. Ew. What we're going to do is suck that out, fill it back up. I'm going to start the car, we're going to turn the wheel back and forth each way, and that'll get a lot of fluid mixed into there, and we're going to suck that out a couple times, and then just keep adding fresh fluid and see what we get. Not sure how well that shows up, but you can see the power steering fluid getting sucked through the tube all the way into the canister. Okie dokie, so we have sucked out the fluid like 4 times, maybe a little bit more, I can't remember. And then every time I'd get in and start it up, I'd turn the wheel side to side, and that would allow the fluid that's in the lines to go through the reservoir. And then I sucked it down, filled it back up, sucked it down, so we should have pretty clear fluid in here. I'm going to start it up. Let's see if it makes any difference in sound. I'm going to hold down the hood button so that we can do a remote start. I still hear a little bit of it, but it's certainly quieter, and as that new fluid works its way into everything, I'm hoping that it gets even better. I'll call that a success. I wonder what happens when you let go of the hood pin. Ooh, it shuts off. So did it really make a difference? We went from fluid that was looking like this to fluid that was looking like this. I would definitely say that it makes a big difference. I'd rather have that nice red fluid in my power steering reservoir instead of that black crap. But in any case, appreciate you taking the time to watch. Hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you next time.